Hello everybody, this is Brian Smith with the Basketball Hall of Fame. We are here with the head basketball coach at Pendleton Heights, and we're going to talk a little bit about the tournament. So Coach, tell us a little bit about yourself and your team this year.
Well, I'm the head coach at Pendleton Heights, Brian Hahn, and we've got a really nice group coming back this year. We went 20-6 last year, made it to the regional championship, unfortunately lost in double overtime to Kokomo, who went on to lose in the state championship. We're a team that's we're not overly athletic, we're not overly big, but we've got some kids that can shoot the ball, and we'll play really hard and try and play the right way. We're led by Kellen Dunham. Kellen's a senior who averaged 23 points a game last year. Kellen's committed to Butler University and is arguably the best shooter in the state and one of the best shooters in the country. He's just a real throwback kid. He works well off the ball. Really efficient offensively, doesn't take a lot of shots to get his points. Last year in the regional, he actually scored 70 points in the 2 games of the regional, 41 in the morning and 29 at night. He's a really special kid, and obviously we're really lucky to have him right now. And he's been a great leader in our program. Along with him, we've got a trio of seniors that have played varsity basketball at some level since their sophomore year, and that's Matt Wayner, Parker All, and Nick Swartz. Along with them, we've got a junior in Brogan Gary that started for us last year. So we've got a lot of returning players, but again, the key for us is we really have to control tempo, especially with the outstanding teams the Hall of Fame has invited, and the athleticism that they have. It makes it really difficult for us, so we have to really play with a lot of intelligence and be disciplined in order to keep tempo at our level. I think the fans will find that we work the ball really hard offensively, and we play with a lot of patience, but at the same time we'll take early shots and play an exciting brand of basketball that I think they'll enjoy.
What are your expectations for this season as a whole?
This is going to be a challenging year from the standpoint to meet the expectations that others put upon us, because we do have so many returning players from a regional finalist team. But my goals for the year are always to get better every game and to be there in February, March, and have a chance to run through the tournament. This is a team that, with our schedule, we play Hamilton Southeastern. We'll end up playing them twice. We could end up playing North Central twice. We play Lawrence North, Fishers, Muncie Central, Newcastle. So for us, it's a real challenging schedule this year that'll really have us prepared come tournament time. And that's really going to be our focus, is to continue to improve and get better week to week, day to day.
And finally, Coach, since you are playing in the Classic, what do you think about that and the expectations for your team?
It's a tremendous honor to play in the Hall of Fame Classic. It's one of those legendary events that, as a kid, I went to. I had the opportunity to go and watch, even back when Glenn Robinson played in, and other teams, and it's just something that we're really proud to be a part of. I think it's a real recognition of the hard work that our kids have put in, not only in the last couple of years, but throughout the past 10, 15 years. We're a program that really prides ourselves on our effort, and I think this is a result of those efforts that have been made by many players over much time.
All right, Coach, thank you very much.
Thank you.